I do need it. You need to be taking a picture. This is remarkable, memorable. A lot of firsts today.
Should I photobomb it?
Yes, photobomb.
Hey!
How's it going?
I'm great.
Good.
I'm Brad.
Nice to meet you, Brad. I'm Marcia.
Nice to meet you, Marcia.
Hey, you Brad.
Hey.
You with us?
Yeah, what's your name?
You know my name. It's Mike.
Mike.
That's
I'm just
right.
kidding. I didn't recognize you.
No, you sure didn't.
I love you and load up right here.
Why do we have 3 conductors today?
All right, thank you. Yeah, you
What's
have a
the
lower
last
level
name?
ticket.
Sinclair?
Yes. Thank you for your help.
Yeah.
We're gonna be upstairs.
What's this class?
Get upstairs.
Yeah, we'll be up there with that gentleman right there.
So how do I get upstairs? Up, straight up, and then the staircase is to the left. Upstairs, folks, unless you have a lower level ticket.
We're lower level.
Okay, then straight through that door.
Halter and
Gotcha. What's your last name? Gotcha. You're free to okay.
Hi.
Yours is a downstairs ticket. I suggest a station. If I make sure you call me train.
I'm not business class.
Are you going?
Didn't. Yes, sir.
Yep.
Right on it.
All right. Here we go.
Board! All right, Brad. Go ahead and head on upstairs for me. Get a seat.
All right. I'm going to stand over here. Right here.
Miss Erica, Brad's here. He says hi.
Yeah, tell him if he gets up at Matt Tune, I'll step down and tell him bye.
Erica will step down and tell you bye at Matt 2.
Can you have her whistle off for me in that tune?
You'll talk. You ask her yourself. She'll talk to you. She'll see
All
you.
right. Thank
Okay?
you, Mike. I really
You're welcome.
appreciate you.
Absolutely.